In this question, x plus 2y equals 20, we have an algebraic expression. We do not know what x or y are. We are told x and y are whole numbers less than 10. You can see that the less than 10 has been put in bold. So that means we need to pay attention to that. The other bit that hasn't been bolded, but we need to pay attention to, is that they are whole numbers. What could x and y be? Okay, so the word could is important. That means that there are not one, there's not one possibility, there is more than one possibilities. So with something like this, you could start with a bit of trial and error. So don't ponder too long, just start by jotting down. So if x was equal to 1, what would y be equal to? Now we would think if x was equal to 1, that means 1 plus 2y equals 20. So we would have a think about what 2y is replacing. 1 plus 19 equals 20. So if 2y was equal to 19, that would mean to find 1y, we would have to halve it. And half of 19 would mean that y is 9.5. That is not going to work, is it? Because it's not a whole number. Okay, so we would start again. So let's delete this, and we could say, okay, what about if x was 2? If x was 2, that would mean that 2 plus 2y equals 20. 2 plus 18 equals 20. That would mean that 2y is equal to 18. So y would be equal to half of 18, which is 9. So that works. You may have also spotted that x is on its own, and we've got two lots of y. That means that x can only be an even number. Okay, so we've got our answer. X is 2 and y is 9. If x was an odd number, then y would always end up being a number and a half, a decimal number. So that's how we have found our answer. Do you know what your child needs to know about algebra in Year 6? There are 5 objectives taken from the national curriculum. I've covered all 5 of those objectives in my Year 6 algebra ebook available in the Pocket Private Tutors shop. I also have my All About Algebra course, which is a great introductory course to lay the foundations for algebra and is suitable for anyone in Year 5 or Year 6 before having a go at the Year 6 objectives.